Your hand. Thank you. Did you close the door?
Yeah, I did.
Thank you.
¿Puedes mirar? ¿Qué quieres que mire todo aquí?
Yes, please. Can you make one half too? Yeah, for her, half.
Hola, mamá. Hola, amiga.
Oh yeah, your hand. No, not your face, okay? Your hand. I want to know how you make it. I want to see how you make the sound. Yes, half.
Does that come with the cheese? But if you like it,
Yes, please, cheese. Yes, cheese.
what kind?
Which one is good? Whatever you like.
You like a white American?
This one, yes.
This one?
Yeah.
You like a more or less?
Huh?
More cheese or less cheese?
Whatever, yeah, more cheese. Can you make one for her too? Half? Not full. We are getting Subway with Liana. And what kind of bread you want, Liana?
Just what do you got?
Italian bread. Say Italian bread.
I would like Italian bread.
Italian bread?
Yes, please.
Is she want the same thing?
No, I don't.
Same thing, yes, same thing, please.
No.
No, it's steak. It's very yummy. Steak, yes. Make a steak. Which one you want?
That cheese.
Liana, you have to choose one meat. Steak?
Yeah.
Yes.
Cheese.
With avocado, right?
Any.
Okay, let me toast it, okay?
Okay, thank you. She's gonna toast it. Ooh, toast. Yes?
No.
Toast it. We have to go for the cinema. We should forget 4 o'clock. What the?
What if we bring this to cinema?
Hmm?
Or can we bring this?
No, we cannot take any food to cinema.
Ahí te voy a amar, luego compramos ahora.
Liana, you are today with me, tomorrow.
Bueno, te quiero mucho.
What?
Te
She's
cuidas,
doing?
te cuidas, te quiero mucho.
She has a lot of bread.
Ahí te voy a amar, mamá.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more video. This is the longest version of me eating and getting food from restaurant. If you want to see a short version, please go and watch other channel. Thank you.
Give me 2 minutes, okay?
Bene.
Hold it filling.
Ooh, yummy. Which one you want? Liana? Tomato for me. Cucumber.
You want avocado, right?
Yes, please.
Oh, that's kind of like guacamole. Kind of.
Avocado. Ooh.
Ahí te la cadena.
She put it in her foot. It's okay. Accident happened, right?
No avocado?
No.
That's fine. That's fine. That's enough for her.
Can I have a little bit onions?
She's gonna give you onion. What do you want?
Onion and that's it.
That's it. Maybe no cucumber or tomato. It's healthy. Healthy. Okay.
She does not know.
You make it good. You make it professional. Very good. Okay, for me, onion, pickle. Yeah. Thank you.
Only little.
Onion, pickle, cucumber, tomato, and some of these jalapeno. Yes, please. And then some sauce. Medium spicy, not too spicy. Yes. And some mayonnaise. You have mayo? Mayo. Yes. And Liana, you can dress up yours.
Okay, so I would like onion, tomato, a little bit of lettuce,
Cucumber, Liana? Cucumber.
mayo,
What is that? What is that? That
That's the stuffing for the cranberries and it.
you like it? It's so yummy. I had it last time.
for that? Yeah, I want that.
This one?
Yes.
It's so yummy. I had it one
This one
time.
is usually extra.
Okay. But it costs more money. You have to pay more money. Okay. You done?
I think a little. Actually, no.
That's it.
fine.
Liana, you want a chips or?
Hello.
Hello. You have to put it down so they can see the food. Subway. Yummy Subway. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, can you open yours?
So mine is different.
Where is my chips? I had another chips. You didn't bring it, Liana.
No. What?
I put the chips on the table. Mmm.
Taken.
Oh my god.
And they want me.
I told you bring everything, Liana.
What? That was your chips. You said grab your stuff. You,
Let me see.
you said grab your stuff.
Can you eat this? See if it's yummy?
Let me try.
Mm.
I like this better. Mine is very yummy. I'll tell you.
Mmm. Yummy. Can you open it for you from here? You can eat. You don't want to eat it now? You cannot take this to cinema.
I know.
So you have to eat it right now.
I thought. I love them. Cheesy.
You can have Pepsi if you want. Mmm.
Italian bread. Italian bread.
Yeah, Italian bread, and then some cheese
Avocado steak is so delicious. Mmm, so good.
She made mine super dry.
You want tender for this one? It's so no.
No, I want a little piece.
Hmm?
But she gave me a small piece. I don't know why. You said half. That's not half. That's an inch.
Yeah, now foot long is long. If you say half, I mean half a foot long.
Hey, I want to see how it tastes.
Try.
I'm trying my dad's.
She ate mine. It's okay.
Mmm.
You like it?
Not too spicy and not too spicy. Oh, right. That was just very good.
Mmm. Mmm. I don't know what to say. This is so good. Yours?
This is a little bit spicy.
Mmm. Mmm. Yummy. Mm.
Very good.
Can I have some chips? Mm.
Mine, I wish it wasn't so thick. I don't know why.
That was my chips. Baked, not fried. Lay's. Is that potato? Yeah, is that potato or what is that? Is that bread or potato?
Egg.
Hmm?
Egg.
Hmm?
Egg. What do you think yours? Wow. This one is 22 minutes, but that one's 10.
We gotta use this one.
First.
I recorded by the counter. Mmm. That was good. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Bye bye.